So as you know, these PTUs get a little too hot, sitting right here on the engine and right next to this hot radiator hose. So I'm gonna put mine under the nose panel. So now we're gonna get to these bolts right here. 1, 2, and I think it's a sneaky one up under the bottom. Of course it is. As y'all seen from the timeline, man, it's hard getting this bottom one right here because where it's located, you have to go under this hose, and you for sure are gonna need an extension and a swivel because there's no way you get into that screw unless you take this radiator hose off. So I'm gonna follow this wire right here. This one, wherever this one runs is where I'm gonna run. And like everybody else, I'm probably just gonna put it right here, or I don't feel like trying to get it down there because then I gotta take the bumper off and I don't wanna do all that tonight. So I got started peeling it back, as you see. Really all we need to worry about is these 2 wires right here. So start peeling it back. Very fucking nerve-wracking using a blade to cut this back. So I'm gonna choke it back to back there, and then that should be enough room to run over there. Alright. When I'm doing this, I'm like really taking my time and going really lightly. I'd rather take my time and go slow than try to rush and cause myself some issues. So I got the wires all stripped back all the way back to here. And as you see, these reach. Now I gotta go ahead and fish these wires through there to here, which look like I got plenty of room. There we go. All right, so I took this other intake off so I can run this on the other side so it won't be, near this radiator. I don't even want it getting burnt or nothing. So it'll be on this side of the intake, and I'm gonna wrap it and put new, whatever it's called. All right, got it all put back together. That's the finished product, no PTU. Here's the wires. Nicely ran. Tucked behind here.